scientists, my name is Fidan and I am the host and the creator of the videos for the Zero to Genetic Engineering Hero series at the Mineral channel. From a title you probably already know, today in this video I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Fidan again, I am 19 years old, originally from Azerbaijan, and for the last couple of years I've been in Toronto, Canada, which is where I'm spending my summer now. This fall I will be starting my studies at the University of British Columbia, Vancouver, for Bachelor of Science. I'm really passionate about, even obsessed about genetics, biology, science, computational biology, and most importantly, I'm interested in their application to improve human lives. Besides that, I really enjoy learning about different cultures and languages. I personally speak 4 languages fluently, plus Latin, and I'm planning to learn Mandarin during my university studies. Also, I really enjoy taking pictures of nature, cooking, discovering new places, and reading science books. The book I recently finished reading is The Codebreaker, which is about Jennifer Doudna, who shared Nobel Prize with Emmanuel Charpentier for discovery of CRISPR. And I highly recommend the book for anyone interested in science or who wants to pursue research in the long term. And after reading the book, I became even more sure about my passion for genetics. The first time I heard the word genetics was when I was 12, and since then, I never stopped learning about it, even though at the beginning it was purely self-taught. And later, I never stopped taking action and following my goal of becoming an impactful geneticist. And more I learned, more I discovered that how little we actually know, and how science is full of mysteries and puzzles that waited to be discovered, which is also why I'm so interested and attracted to the field. Besides, I really believe that if we happen to be here all together, we better find ways how to improve our lives. It's also one of the reasons why I'm here with YouTube also. One of the goals of these videos is to give you more understanding about genetic engineering and with the lab kits to make science more accessible to everyone, especially to you, to inspire as many people as possible to join us in our mission of improving lives. And I'm really excited to start the journey with you of discovering genetic engineering and applying it right at our homes, and I really hope you will enjoy the videos. See you.